In this video, I'm going to show you how to make labels for your graphics and your tables. So I'm going to go down to the chart area, and here I have a little graphic. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go to the References tab and click on Insert Caption. And you'll notice that it automatically used the word figure, which is what I want. And I can't remember what this is called. I'm just going to call it pie chart. I think that's what it is. And then click OK, and it puts it right underneath it. Okay. Then I'm going to go down to the table, and I want to have a caption for the table. So I'm going to click on Insert Caption. But see, it says figure, and I want it to say table. So I'm going to click on the label and change it to table. And it knows now, since it's a table, it's table 1. And this is definitions. Whatever the assignment says to do that. And I'll click OK. And this one will go above the table because that's the way they're done. Then, you know, I hate stuff like this. So if you want that on a different page, then you should go to Layout, Break, and do a page break. Or just do Control Enter. Now I have another image, and I want to go to References and Insert Caption. And now it's not a table, this is a figure. And so I want to call it Organization and click OK. So pay attention to what you're doing. I'm going to go down here to the table. I'm going to insert a caption, and I'm going to tell it, no, this is a table. Word is smart enough, it should know that, but it doesn't. And this is what I learned. And then click OK. And now you have your tables and your images and your graphics all formatted. Oh, see this? This is because of the page break I put in. So I'm going to show you some things that are going to happen when you try to troubleshoot it. I'm just going to click on the normal text. Now sometimes that will take the formatting off of here, but when I click the normal style here, it just fixed it for that and didn't affect this. But sometimes it will affect both, and when that happens, then you have to have an extra paragraph returned, but we didn't have to do that. Now that I've put all of my captions on, I'm going to go up to the blank page where we're supposed to have a table of tables and a table of figures. And I'm going to put in my header 1 and say figures. And then I'm going to insert, go to References, and insert a table of figures. And I want it to be figures, not captions. And click OK. And there it's on my 2 figures. Now I'm going to apply the heading 1 style. And I'm going to tell it tables. Press Enter. Go to References, insert a table of figures, and now I'm going to change, I want the caption to say tables, so it's correct now, and I'll click OK, and it found my 2 tables. So once you've got them labeled, then you can just come in here and put them in here. If you do that and you find that you have 2 instances of figure 1 pie chart, or 2 instances of table 2 what I learned, something like that, then you need to go down to that table and see if you've got it entered twice there and take one of them out.